Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're talking about how to fix a very annoying "we need more info to redeem this card" error on Google Play. So this means that Google's fraud prevention system needs extra details to verify your gift card. And the steps to fix this will be as follows. Firstly, you need to go to playgoogle.com. I'm already there on my phone, as you can see on the left. Play app, profile and redeem code. You will see this on the screen. Enter the gift card code to check the balance. If the full amount shows, for example. After that, just enter the gift card code to check the balance. If the full amount, for example $25, shows, the card is valid and unused. After that, guys, the next steps. Check for typos, for example O versus 0, no spaces or dashes. Scratch off physical cards carefully. After that, your Google account's country must match the card's purchase country, for example US for the US account. Also guys, addressing the very common issues might help fixing this as well. For example, activation if bought in store, for example Target or Tesco. Confirm activation with the retailer using your receipt. Also guys, if none of these work, you can also try clearing Google Play app cache. So on Android, you go to Settings, Apps, you find the Google Play Store, go to Storage and clear cache. After that, you can also copy and paste emailed codes and avoid clicking links. And also Google Play balance can't exceed $2,000. Spend existing funds if over limits. Right, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully this gets your Google Play gift card sorted. And you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing and like the video. Leave a comment also, and see you in the next one.